This is the BEBBINGTON house. We're on Karragarra Island, the Bay Islands. Now, there's about 40 of our houses under construction in this region at the moment. This is a great house. It's based off our Fernando design, just a variation of that. So it's got the double garage underneath. It's on quite a steep site, but they've used the fall across the building pad to be able to create that extra garage area. We'll have a quick look through. Nice big high ceilings on this house, raked as well, lots of louvres, and big balconies across the front. So this is all the living area. Two baby living, big stacking sliding doors for the bike parking, and the view looking out towards the fantastic view. Another couple of bedrooms on this end, more louvre windows, highlights across the top of the louvres as well, so you can adjust the angle with the breezes in. Really nice house.